Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today I am going to discuss patriotism, paragraph writing with the help of word bank. So the first word is patriotism. Patriotism means love for one's native country, noblest passion. It is one of the noblest passions of human nature that one should love one's country is natural. Next one is union. Man we know is a social being. He cannot live in an isolation. His nature urges him to live in union with other human beings. He must live in a society. This is the only way in which he can lead a happy and fulfilled life. It's natural that we should love our fellow human beings. It is also natural that we should love the country where we and our dear and near ones live. For us, our country is not just a piece of land, it is more than a physical reality. And our country is very beautiful, and there may be other countries which are more beautiful. We love it because it is our native land. We love it because it is the embodiment of our traditions. And we love it because patriotism is a natural passion. And patriotism is not a passive virtue. Love hates idleness. Love of one's country inspires and urges him to do everything in his power for the welfare of his country. It makes him perform, so it makes him a good citizen. The next one is patriotism in war time. So it is a dangerous idea. Patriotism is a virtue which inspires us in peace as well as in war. It inspires us in peace as well as in war. Makes a country strong. If we are patriot, we will always try to make our country healthy and strong. So as the government, we will always try to help and urge the government to pursue just and moral policies in external and internal affairs. Love hates idleness. So, love hates idleness. Uh, Students, patriotism is not a passive virtue. Love hates idleness and perform honestly. It makes him perform his duties honestly and zealously. And so, students write the paragraph with the help of these word bank. Students, if you keep in your mind these important points, you can learn and create a paragraph by yourself also. Okay, and if you learn these important points, so it will help you in your exam. If you forget anything from your paragraph, it will help you. If you learn any point, okay, so you can create any sentence with any word, okay, if you learn these words. So this is very important words. So students, whenever you learn any paragraph, just keep in your mind the important points of the paragraph, okay, which will help you in learning very easily. Okay, students, do it very neatly on your English grammar notebook. Take care. Allah Hafiz.